Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders and playing with decals from Nails Truly Co. And I am so excited. We are kicking off the series today. This is day one of the 31 Days of Halloween series. We'll get into more details on that in just a few moments. But we are dipping into black jelly bean, and this coverage right here, it is everything. And when I talk about full coverage, I only needed to do one dip on that thumbnail right there. And then we are going to be playing with some ombre with these dip powders as well. So we are going to ombre this color together and then that purple dip powder, and we're just going to do like a really fun, I feel like blacks and purples go perfect together with Halloween, but this color right here, this black jelly bean, it's kind of like a gunmetal black. It's very pretty. It's very full coverage. The shimmer is unreal. And these dip powders are very buttery. So if you have not tried any dip powders from Nails Truly & Co., or you didn't know they offered dip powders, you need to grab some dip powders because they're phenomenal. And if you do get the Nails Truly exclusive bundle, this month is, I'm having a loss for words here because I'm so excited about this mani. It is Hocus Pocus, and that comes with dip powders as well. So every exclusive also comes with dip powders. So that's pretty awesome. So for the ombre today, we are going to be doing this purple and the black jelly bean together. And these colors also glow in the dark. And the glow that these dip powders give you at the end of this mani, you're going to see a photo. It is bright, it is vibrant, it is unreal, and it looks so awesome with decals on it. So we're going to go ahead for this ombre, and we're going to go in twice with the colors. So this time, instead of starting that ombre with black jelly bean, we're going to go in with the other color. That's just going to give us a really smooth gradient effect. And these dip powders are very rich in color, so it makes it super easy and effortless to get a really awesome ombre. All right, so let's dive into the 31 Days of Halloween series. I bet you are all waiting for the deets, right? Okay, so for this year, we are going to do 31 Days of Halloween. If you are new to my channel, last year I did 13 and I had so much fun doing it, so I was like, we're gonna go big this year. So we are starting it today. That is Wednesday, September 13th, and then it always ends on October 13th, which is my birthday. I just love Halloween, and I feel like that's just a really fun way to just kind of like celebrate Halloween, and then we'll end the last day with like a really big giveaway. So the giveaway, I could not be happier on how it turned out, and it's gonna be really fun. So I feel like since it's such a big giveaway, there are 7 companies involved in this giveaway. So I figured since it was so big, we are going to make it a little bit more fun and interesting how to enter the giveaway. So each day you have an option to enter in the giveaway. So technically you could get 31 entries because you can enter in the giveaway every day. So how are you going to enter into this giveaway? All right, so sometimes YouTube is a little bit tricky. Sometimes comments disappear after you type them out. So I figured we're going to do a Google form. So after each video, well, during each video, let me back up. There's going to be a random, spooky, fun Halloween image that is going to pop up randomly in the video. So every video is going to be different. You're never going to know when it's going to pop up. And it's not going to be anything like too terrifying, like that's going to like scare you. It's going to be like a cutesy little Halloween image, unless we are doing like a scary themed mani, then the image might be a little bit scarier, but it's going to pop up randomly. And then at the end of the video, you can fill out a Google form, and that's going to be your submission to the giveaway. That's going to be your entry. And on that Google form, you're just going to fill out your name and your email address. And then there's going to be a question that says, what image popped up during this mani video? And it's going to give you 4 different images to choose from, and then you just choose an image, and then if you've picked the correct image, that is going to be your entry for the giveaway. So technically you have 31 chances to enter the giveaway, and I just thought that would be a really fun way, an engaging way to enter the giveaway, and then it's fair for everybody. So that's what we're doing. So again, an image is going to pop up on the screen randomly, and then at the end of the video, fill out the Google form and select what image popped up, and then that will be your entry. And then we will spin the wheel at the end of the series, and we'll have one grand prize winner. All right, so real quick, let me just dive right back into this mani here. I went ahead and did a layer of gel base on all the nails. that we're placing decals on, and I cure that for 30 seconds. So curing that gel base is going to allow a sticky tacky layer to the surface of that nail that's really going to help these decals adhere to the nail. So I am doing a decal on this ombre nail. Now normally when you're working with decals, you want to put them on lighter surfaces so that that image really pops through, but I really like the transition of that ombre nail. You're going to see that whole nail here in action in a little bit, and it's going to come together really awesome. Now, if you did want to put a decal on a darker color nail, like a black nail, you totally could. You just would need to paint the back of that decal, and we'll get into that in a little bit here in the series. But that is an option as well if you really want those decals and that image to be super vibrant. Painting the back is another way. So we're just adding these decals to the nail, very simple. And then we are going to go ahead with my normal process here. I do use a little bit of acetone to flat down the decals and then make sure all the wrinkles are out, and that if there's any decals hanging over the free edge, I just clean it up with a flat brush. But we are going to get back into a little bit more of this series. So the giveaway you're going to fill out on a Google form, and some of the prizes that you are eligible to win, it's going to be for US residents only, and I'm so sorry, but it's just easier that way for me to do US residents only at this time. But the giveaway has 7 companies. So we have Sandara, we have Crevo Nails, we have Candy Dips, we have Bling Galleria, we have, oh my gosh, we have Nails Truly, we have Cosmic Nails, and I know I'm missing, oh my gosh, and we have Color My World Dips in the giveaway. So we have 7 companies right now into this giveaway. There might be potential for some other companies to pop in. That's always an option to add more, but those are the 7 that are established right now in this series, and I could not be more happier. And it ranges from products to gift cards, so it's gonna be a really fun trick-or-treat bag that you are gonna win for this giveaway. I could not be more excited for this giveaway. Okay, so right now you'll notice that I went in right after we went ahead with that flat brush with the acetone. I went in with a layer of gel base. I'm just sealing in that decal right away to make sure it doesn't move or pop up or anything like that with a layer of gel base, and I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna put a layer of gel base on the rest of the nails and cure for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna finish up with a layer of gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Here's me doing the top coat right now. But I just want to thank you all for watching my videos and being a part of my channel and subscribing and watching when you can. I know I post a lot of content weekly, and you all pop in when you can, or you watch when you're doing your nails, and I just really appreciate it. It means the world to me. I love being able to share how dip powders perform with you and some fun decals. So it's been a journey, and I'm really excited that we get to do this Halloween series for the 2nd year, but even bigger. But here's the finished mani. I love it so much. It's the perfect just getting our feet wet into that Halloween season here with those dark colors, and then we have some really cute bat decals on here that just really kind of tie everything together. And I will say there will be some days where there's going to be 2 uploads, so there'll be a morning upload and an evening upload. If there is a morning upload, that is going to be a fall or like an everyday kind of mani, so we still are throwing in some manis that are just not strictly Halloween, so you guys have the best of both options when it comes to videos. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Also, don't forget to fill out that Google form for the entry for the giveaway. For today's video, we are on day 1, and I will see you all in the next upload.